You need to make a decision today. Stop saying that you're going to do it tomorrow, you're going to do it the next day, the next week. No, literally decide now and take control over your life. I'll be always, always. Hi, my name is Ev-Lynn and welcome to my channel. In this channel, I discuss a lot of just how to become your best self by doing self-transformation, self-love, self-concept. If you're into this type of content, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification button so you never miss a video. In this video, I'm gonna go ahead and discuss how to make a decision and sticking to it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys 5 practical things that you can go ahead and implement to really basically help you make the best decisions of your life. That can be a business decision, that can be a personal self-growth decision, wanting to go back to school, wanting to start content creation, opening up a business. Whatever the case may be, you need to really break it down before you make that decision, and I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that. So the first thing is to clarify your why. This should be the number one thing that you are doing before you do anything. You need to clarify your why. What is the reason that you want to start this new project? What is the reason that you want to lose the weight? What is the reason why you want to start the business? Whatever it may be, really self-reflect and ask yourself, why am I doing this? Is this leading to success? Is this leading to my happiness? Is this leading to my personal growth? Is this leading me closer to God? Is this helping me get my dream life? Whatever the case may be, really give yourself self-reflection and time to just ask yourself, what will this do for me? How can I do it? Why am I doing this? What would this lead to? You can also ask yourself, why do I believe this will benefit me or others? Really ask yourself these deep questions, because what it's gonna allow you to do is visualize. Visualization is so important, and it doesn't start with what you see, like your eyes, it starts within the head. So when you're asking yourself these questions, I know when I ask myself these questions, whatever I'm doing, especially when it comes to big decisions, I have a visualization in my head of what it could lead me to do. How can I improve? Will it get me closer to God? Will it make me more happiness? Will it bring me more money? Whatever the case may be, I'm able to visualize it because I'm doing the self-reflection. I'm really breaking it down before I even make a decision. So visualizing will also help you really realize, is this something long-term or short-term of whatever the decision may be. What for me is me taking more control over my health and eating more healthier, implementing more workouts. This is a long-term goal of mine. So definitely clarify your why, and this just leads you to visualize the outcome of that decision. Number 2 is to create a plan of action. When you are creating a plan of action that is leading you to your goal, it allows you to have clarity, you to be organized and focused to reaching that goal. Because you are making that decision. You've made the decision, you just figure out your why. Now you're creating your action plans of that decision. And when you are breaking it down and you are visually seeing it, that is going to help you understand that not only is this decision a good decision, it allows you to keep going. It allows you to be very excited about it. Very just like, oh my gosh, like I'm really about to do this big thing. I'm really about to like pop off. I'm really about to become my best self. I'm really about to start this business, start this content creation, whatever the case may be. You are seeing it plain in paper. You are seeing it in front of you. So write it down, make it plain. An example would be is if you decide to lose, let's say 15 pounds in a month. This is a lot of weight that you have to lose within 30 days. That's a lot. So you need to create an action. You need to create a plan. This may be tracking your calories, your food intake. This may be working out 3 to 4 times a week, water intake, intermittent fasting, no processed sugar, no soda, no dairy, whatever the case may be for you to lose that weight. You are putting it into action. You have a plan right there in front of you that is going to lead you towards that goal. Not overcomplicate it, because once you overcomplicate it, you're gonna give up. You're gonna be like, this is why, I don't know why the hell I told myself I should have did this, I should have decided to do that. No, like, make your plan, make it simple, okay? Make it simple, simplify it, okay? It's supposed to be beneficial to you. Your plan is supposed to be beneficial to you. Remember that. This is holding yourself accountable. This is allowing you to trust yourself and really motivate yourself to, like, you know what? This is the best decision I've ever made in my life, and I can continue to make good decisions like this. So make a good plan. Make it smart, make it simple. Number 3 would be is to eliminate alternatives. I know, like, we live in a society, like, we have so many choices, we have so many things we can do, and things of that nature. And when you're making such big life changes and deciding to do something out of your comfort zone, you don't want to have multiple scenarios, multiple choices, because it's gonna allow you to have, like, confusion. You're gonna think to yourself, well, you know, I could do this, and this gonna lead me to this, but then I could do that, and that may work too better than this one, or that may work faster than both of them, but I don't know. It just allows you to be very confused, and we don't need a spirit of confusion. We don't do that here. We don't do that here. Know that this is the decision for you. Like, you know, it's important to take better care of your health, to prioritize yourself, to climb the corporate ladder or get that promotion, start that business. You can't be thinking about other endless opportunities that could happen, because it allows you to kind of really fall into sometimes a negative state. I would say for me, when I decided to go back on YouTube, I was second guessing myself. I was thinking, like, oh my gosh, like, I should wait until this comes up, or I lose the weight, or I have this, I'm living there, whatever the case may be. And I was just like, girl, you have too many, like, too many stuff, just this, that, this, too many thoughts, too many possibilities. Like, no, like, come here, show your truth, tell your truth, and you will see the growth. Like, every video, I watch my videos, like, I watch them back, like, I watch them on a weekly basis, and I'm seeing the growth. I don't know if y'all do, but I see it. As long as I can see it, that's great. I am coming up, showing up as my best self every single day. Like, that is just because who I'm becoming. That's becoming me. So really just eliminate distractions, eliminate alternatives, and really just focus on what is going to lead you into a better life, a better future, better opportunities, better plans. All that other stuff, nonsense, the negativity from listening to people, everybody talking at me, cut it out, eliminate it. The 4th thing would be is to build accountability. And you can build accountability with, like, friends or a friend group, especially if you guys are, like, on, like, a weight loss journey, or if you guys are sticking to just becoming more better, like going on a book club, whatever the case may be. Really just build accountability. And if you don't have someone to hold you accountable, hold yourself accountable. Really hold yourself up to a higher standard that you see yourself now. Like, hold yourself up to knowing that you can do it. This decision that you do decide to make to become your best self, to lose the weight, take better charge of your health, start that content creation, start that business, whatever it is that you want to do it, and hold yourself accountable. Even if you fall short, hold yourself accountable to that. Be like, okay, I didn't show up my best. I didn't get the things I needed to get done, but I can do better. Let me go ahead and break down how can I do better? How can I show up better than I did today, than the day I did before? Like, what can I do actively to become better? Like, you need to build up accountability. You need to hold yourself accountable. You hold yourself up to that goal or decision. Do daily check-ins. That really just helps you to evaluate your progress, to see how things are going, what things you can go ahead and weed out and do differently. The 5th thing would be is to practice resilience. Practicing resilience really just allows you to develop the ability to cope with setbacks and also adapt with changes and challenges, because There are going to be things that are going to knock you off your pedestal, that's going to knock you off your rocket. Like, anytime you set an intention to do something good, there is always going to be destructions to follow. I got that from Mine Golden, okay? There are always going to be something that will challenge you, test you, okay? It will test you, and it will test you more than once to see, are you capable of doing this? Do you feel like you're deserving of it? Like, really practice resilience and adapt to where if a setback happens, you reflect from it. You're like, okay, all right, so that didn't happen the way that I wanted to. Let me go ahead and see what's another way, a better way I can go ahead and do this. Definitely really just helps you embrace challenges and view it as part of the learning progress. So definitely practice resilience, practice of just keep going no matter what is thrown in at you, okay? You get yourself back up and you continue to go. You continue to do it. Remember, making a decision is the first step, but sticking to it is what truly transforms your life. Trust yourself, stay committed, and watch how much progress you make. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was a little bit shorter than my other videos, but I just wanted to get straight to the point and just give you guys just how to really make a decision and stick to it. So I do hope this video was helpful. I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.